Oh, well, hello there, my friends. Welcome to the Demo Slam. In this Demo Slam, we are going to unlock a secret portal to Quizizz Fun using Book Creator. My name is Stormy Daniels, and enough about me, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is show you two examples of why you would want to do this. Notice I'm in Book Creator, and this is where your students will be. So I call this Student Created Edition because my students created this magazine here. And I could share this link and share another link and share a lot of links with my students to go a lot of places, but I don't like to do that. We don't have time, just like we don't have time now. So I'm going to click on this embedded Quizizz. And you will see that it opens up right here within Book Creator, just like it would in Quizizz. My students can see the book that they made right in Quizizz. And so you can see that this is a student created book all about famous people that they wanted you to learn more about. AI generated these questions for them. Pretty cool, right? So if AI doesn't generate great questions, then we probably need to go fix our content, right? Good check on learning for them. Another way to embed the same thing is a live video. Now this is a teacher created video lesson, and you can see that it's going to play the video right within Book Creator. So you see, because I want this to be a student created edition, I am going to click on the link for a student created book. Of course it has to be published. Copy link. The only way to get the link is to publish it. Then let's jump over here to Quizizz. I'm going to click on Create, Passage, Bring Your Own, Website, Embed Website, Control V, paste that book in, generate these with AI, and we're going to see what kind of questions my students got. Pretty good questions. For now, I would read it, but I'm going to publish this. So how do I get it into Book Creator? Well, move myself out of the way again. I'm going to click the three dots, embed, copy, jump back over to our new book. Let's edit this. Plus, media, embed, Control V again, confirm, and there it is. And this is now Space Interactive Book. And voila, let's go to space, shall we? So if I click on Go to Space, you'll see that this amazing countdown again. There's my student's book, and there's those questions, and you can turn any book into an interactive secret portal to Quizizz Fun using Book Creator. Want to learn more? Vote for me, follow, and I'll show you how to make the magic come alive. Thank you.